took me like a few weeks to get these, but I got them! Yay! But no. Yeah?
Can you tell Brayden I said it's soon time for bed?
Yeah. Hey, Brayden! Mom said it's soon time for bed. Hey, look at this one. This one. Hold up. I got the most. This is what I've been waiting for my whole life. For this many Mojis. Hey, got more. They're so cute. This is the bag that I came in. Okay, here's the file that open. Yeah? Yeah. No. Hey, Brayden! Brayden! Soon time for bed. It's soon time for bed. Bro, Brayden. Brayden! Soon time for bed. It's not okay. Okay. First one that I'm gonna be unboxing. This is so far, I think, the biggest one. Yeah? Making YouTube video. Yeah. It's up there. This is so far the biggest one. I love them, they're so cute. Next one, chick bin. Now the next one is the sun. I can show my science teacher this. Ooh, there's a huge one on here. Sun! Now he's so far the biggest one that I've unboxed. Ooh, fox. Foxy, this fox from Minecraft. I missed these ever since my other one got flushed down the toilet by accident, I think. No, it got washed down the drain in my bathtub. I've been waiting for these. Fox from Minecraft. Yo, we're gonna enjoy this. in 5 minutes. I got so many unboxed. Koala, black koala. Oh my god! Panda! Very small black panda. It's a ginger cat. Look at it. It's so cute. I like it. I like it. Now, yeah. Okay. Now I got a cloud, a fluffy cloud. I like it. Gotta let you down. Cat was the first one. Another cat, gray cat. I'll show you guys all them. Oh my god, it's a it's a elephant. Very cute. Next one is a paw. Piggy. I'm so excited for these things. Axolotl! The axolotl! Oh my god! There's a massive one. And it takes up half of this. It takes up the whole thing. It's so stretchy. Star. Twinkle, twinkle, wiggle star. Dinosaur. I got dirty on these things. It's been 8 minutes. Unicorn. Oh my god, it's a cute walrus. Another dino. Oh, shark. I've been waiting for you too. Octopus. Cute bunny. It's a sweeping flush. Oh, never mind. This is the last one. What? Opening my Mojis? Opening my Mojis?